Hey everyone, welcome to Gaming Explained. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to auto-switch defense on NBA Live games. So let's get started. First, open the NBA Live game on your device. Tap on the settings option from the top right corner of your screen. In the settings menu, look for the preferences option. It should be listed at the very top of the menu. Tap on the edit button right beside it. Here you can see the defense auto switch option. Finally, tap on the toggle switch next to the defense auto switch option to turn it on. The switch should move to the on position, indicating that defense auto switch is now enabled. And this is how you can auto switch defense on NBA Live game. Thank you for watching Gaming Explained. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, then hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, please subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you won't miss our upcoming videos.